Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change theme in your Shopify account. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at Shopify or log in to our Shopify account that I bet that you will already have going on. What we want to do, we want to focus on the left sidebar and click on Online Store. Straight away, first option is theme. What we want to do, we can go for actions, or we can customize our theme. Once you're in here, as you can see, you have tons of options to choose from. For example, you want to go and change header or image with overlay like that. So as you can see, we have this really ugly grayish background. We can select the image or we can upload it, and for example, let's go with lake in the back, and straight away we have a lake in the back. That's what our customers will see first. Let's go, and image alignment is in the middle, full width, and so on and so on. Now if you want to change this overlay, let's go with Marcus Stone Store, and this change to, I'm not really sure, best t-shirts ever, button label, and so on and so on. You can change it later, or you can even insert a link. So if you click on this, you'll get redirected, for example, to my YouTube channel. Image with text, straight away we can go and upload our wolf, and it goes like this. It's really easy. Step by step you can customize your features, for example, even your products and collections. So you can select the collection, for example, create one, but that's for later. And you can, for example, use the brands, or you can use the t-shirt models, all those cuts, all the colors that you have, maybe some essentials, and so on and so on. So your customer can pick from them. There are testimonials. You can tweak them as well. But to be honest, it's very, very easy. All you have to do now is just to click save and exit. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.